Hey folks, Alan here again from LearnKoreanFast.com, and in this video we're going to talk a little bit more about different senses, not sense of humor necessarily, but one thing that you will hear in Korean is sarcasm. Okay, all right, and that word sarcasm is 풍자, right? 풍자, 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 right? And we can get this word sarcastic, so 형용사, 형용사. Right, 형용사 is adjective, right? So the adjective form is 풍자적인, 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 right? So we will hear sarcasm in Korean, and you can hear this a lot. And it's kind of confusing because it doesn't always sound like sarcasm, which is one of the things about sarcasm in English too, right? So it kind of is fun, right? So before we had this, 수고했어요, right? 수고했다. Right? So remember, if you remember in earlier videos, 수고 means effort. So 수고했다 means you did a good effort, right? But notice that we've used a little more informal form here. And actually this is kind of 반말, which is the low level, right? So 수고했습니다 would be, or 수고했어요. Oh, really, really good job. But if you hear 수고했다, 수고했다, there's a good chance that this might be sarcastic. You did a good job, right? Oh, good, good. That kind of thing you might hear in English, right? So there are lots of things, a couple of different ways we can use for you did a good job and use it as sarcasm, right? So 수고했다. Tone will give it away most of the time, but if you're not listening carefully and you're not used to it, you might miss it, right? So 수고했다, 수고했다. 잘했다, 잘했다. So 잘했어요, 잘했어요. Normal, right? You did a good job. You did well, right? So 잘했어요, but 잘했다, 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 right? So maybe I'll spill some water on the table or something. My wife says, oh, 잘했다, 잘했다, right? So it's not really you did a good job or you did well. It's sarcasm, right? And then we also 잘됐다, 잘됐다. So 잘됐어요, 되다 means become, turns out, right? So it turned out well. But notice again, we've used this contracted form and the very, very low, very kind of the rudest, most common level of using it, right? So 잘됐다, 잘됐다 is also most of the time sarcastic, right? Again, you have to pay attention to the tone, and it might matter the relationship that you have with the speaker, right? So 잘됐다, and sometimes even 좋다, right? So 좋아하다 or 좋다. So 좋다 means to be good, right? So 좋다 could also be used in a sarcastic way. So you also want to be careful whenever you're using those and make sure that your tone's kind of up, that somebody doesn't mistake that as being sarcasm and being 풍자. All right, cool. So I hope you find that helpful and that you'll be able to use that. But it's a really good way to add a little flavor to your conversation instead of just trying to use straight sentences and grammar and all of those kinds of things, right? Which is not the way most people speak anyway, right? So hope you can throw that into your everyday Korean usage right away, all right? Be sure to hit that subscribe button below if you haven't already, so you can get notified whenever I release some new videos. And also be sure to click like, share. If you got a question or comment, feel free to leave it below as well. Check out the links below in the description to LearnKoreanFast.com, where there are a couple of free resources you can get there for practicing and writing Korean and learning Korean, right? And also there's a link to my books on Amazon, and buying those books really does help me out, and I really do appreciate it. I appreciate everybody for watching these videos. Thank you. 감사합니다. 다음에 뵙시다.